Have you ever wondered how some people achieve extraordinary things that seem almost impossible to the average person? Some call it luck, some attribute it to cleverness, and others say it's due to exceptional skills. However, I believe the secret lies in their daily habits. These habits, practiced consistently, shape their character and destiny. By focusing on positive habits and eliminating toxic ones, you too can transform your life. So, without further ado, let's dive into these habits. 1. Morning gratitude practice. Gratitude is a fundamental practice embraced by successful individuals seeking to cultivate a positive mindset and attract abundance into their lives. The morning gratitude practice serves as a powerful tool for acknowledging and appreciating the blessings present in one's life, setting the stage for a day filled with optimism and purpose. Each morning, successful individuals take a moment to express gratitude for various aspects of their lives. They begin by acknowledging the foundational elements that support their journey, such as mentors, teachers, and supportive communities. Additionally, they express thanks for the opportunities and resources that have contributed to their success, recognizing the interconnectedness of all beings. Beyond material wealth and achievements, successful individuals extend gratitude to the challenges and setbacks they've encountered along the way. They understand that adversity serves as a catalyst for growth and resilience, shaping them into stronger, more resilient individuals. By embracing gratitude for both the joys and trials of life, successful individuals foster a sense of appreciation and contentment that transcends external circumstances. The morning gratitude practice is not merely a routine, but a profound act of spiritual alignment, connecting individuals to the abundant flow of life's blessings. By starting the day with an attitude of gratitude, successful individuals set a positive tone for their day, attracting more opportunities for growth, success, and fulfillment. 2. Morning meditation. Meditation is a cornerstone of personal development embraced by successful individuals seeking to cultivate inner peace, clarity, and emotional resilience. The practice of morning meditation holds particular significance, providing a sacred space for individuals to connect with themselves and align with their highest potential. In the early hours of the day, successful individuals engage in various meditation techniques to quiet the mind and center themselves. One such practice is loving-kindness meditation, which involves cultivating feelings of compassion and goodwill towards oneself and others. Through the repetition of loving-kindness phrases, individuals generate positive energy that radiates outward, fostering harmony and connection. Mindfulness meditation is another key practice embraced during the morning hours. This form of meditation involves observing thoughts, sensations, and emotions with non-judgmental awareness, cultivating a sense of presence and inner calm. By anchoring their awareness in the present moment, individuals develop greater clarity and resilience in the face of life's challenges. Breathing meditation or breath awareness is also commonly practiced in the morning. This simple yet profound technique involves focusing on the rhythm of the breath, using it as a point of concentration and relaxation. By attuning to the natural flow of the breath, individuals quiet the mind and cultivate a deep sense of inner peace and tranquility. Morning meditation serves as a sacred ritual, providing successful individuals with a sanctuary of stillness and reflection amidst the busyness of modern life. It empowers them to navigate their day with clarity, focus, and emotional balance, ensuring they show up as their best selves in every endeavor. 3. Journaling. Journaling is a transformative practice embraced by successful individuals seeking to deepen their self-awareness, clarify their goals, and navigate life's complexities with grace and intentionality. Through the act of writing, individuals gain insights into their thoughts, emotions, and aspirations, fostering personal growth and development. Each day, successful individuals engage in the practice of journaling, using it as a tool for reflection, intention setting, and gratitude expression. They begin by reviewing their accomplishments, challenges, and learnings from the previous day, gaining valuable insights into their progress and areas for improvement. By documenting their experiences on paper, they cultivate a deeper sense of self-awareness and accountability in their actions. Gratitude journaling is a central aspect of the journaling practice, serving as a daily reminder of the abundance and blessings present in one's life. Successful individuals take time to express thanks for the people, opportunities, and experiences that enrich their lives, fostering a mindset of abundance and appreciation. Journaling also serves as a space for setting intentions and goals, allowing individuals to clarify their vision for the future and take actionable steps towards their aspirations. By articulating their dreams and desires on paper, they create a roadmap for success and hold themselves accountable to their highest potential. Ultimately, journaling is a sacred practice of self-discovery and empowerment, offering successful individuals a means of navigating life's journey with clarity, purpose, and resilience. By engaging in this reflective practice, they deepen their connection to themselves and the world around them, ensuring they live each day with intention and integrity. 4. Mindful eating. Mindful eating is a practice embraced by successful individuals seeking to cultivate a healthy relationship with food and enhance their overall well-being. This practice encourages individuals to approach eating with awareness, savoring each bite, and honoring the nourishment it provides for the body and mind. Successful individuals recognize that food is more than just fuel. It is a source of pleasure, nourishment, and connection. By practicing mindful eating, they develop a deeper appreciation for the flavors, textures, and aromas of their food, allowing them to experience each meal more fully. During meal times, successful individuals take time to slow down and savor each bite, paying attention to the sensations and flavors present in the food. They chew slowly and mindfully, allowing themselves to fully experience the taste and texture of each morsel. By eating mindfully, they cultivate a greater sense of satisfaction and contentment with their meals, reducing the likelihood of overeating or emotional eating. Mindful eating also involves paying attention to hunger and fullness cues, allowing individuals to eat in response to physical hunger rather than emotional or environmental cues. By tuning into their body's signals, successful individuals are better able to nourish themselves in a way that supports their overall health and well-being. Overall, mindful eating is a practice that fosters a deeper connection to food and promotes a greater sense of balance and harmony in one's relationship with eating. By incorporating this practice into their daily lives, successful individuals are able to enjoy their meals more fully and support their health and vitality in the process. These practices serve as transformative tools for fostering gratitude, inner peace, self-awareness, and holistic well-being. Through the practice of morning gratitude, individuals cultivate an attitude of appreciation for the abundance present in their lives, fostering a positive mindset that attracts more blessings and opportunities. Morning meditation provides a sacred space for stillness and reflection, empowering individuals to navigate their day with clarity, focus, and emotional resilience. Journaling serves as a tool for self-discovery and intention setting, allowing individuals to gain insights into their thoughts, emotions, and aspirations, while also expressing gratitude for the blessings in their lives. Mindful eating encourages individuals to savor each bite and honor the nourishment it provides, fostering a healthier relationship with food and promoting overall well-being. In essence, these practices are not merely rituals but pathways to living a more conscious, intentional, and meaningful life. By embracing these practices, individuals can unlock their full potential, cultivate inner peace, and create a life filled with abundance, joy, and purpose.